Hi again! This short video will be all about the Discovery tool. What is it exactly? Stay tuned so you can learn how and when to use Discovery to simplify your everyday market research. The Discovery tool allows you to search by keyword for any profiles and videos, the ones that are in our database already, as well as any profiles and videos directly on YouTube and Instagram. Let's start from researching the videos in ViralStat base. If you enter the desired keyword into the search field here, ViralStat will pull up the list of relevant videos with this particular keyword included in the video title. So, say we want to search for audio-related videos. There, the list of relevant results with the defined keyword in the title appears in seconds. Further on, you can sort the list by views, descending, ascending, or within any specified range here. Type in the values you want and voila! This also can be further sorted by highest or lowest amounts. Same can be done with likes, dislikes, comments and share sort. Again, descending or ascending or within any particular range. The engagement rate here is the summary of interaction on a particular video, and the video engagement rate is the overall video's interactions to its total views ratio. And these can be sorted by descending or ascending values too. Last here is the video upload time, so you can search for videos from newest to oldest, or uploaded within any particular period like today, yesterday, or within any custom range. That was pretty straightforward search. Now let's go to the advanced options here. Once you click the button, you'll find a list of more detailed filters to search the videos through. And so you can choose the platform the video is hosted on, YouTube, Instagram or Facebook, then the country from the drop-down list here, category, type, which can be either brand or influencer, and then the subtype. Further on, select the period the videos were uploaded at. So let's search, for example, for YouTube videos within cars and vehicles category and brands maybe. Now say I want to know which of these videos were uploaded within last month only, and then most view one of them all. So there. Now the description search field here. How is this one different than the previous one? Here you can input any keyword hashtag that is included in the video description. You can type in one word only, that is at least 4 characters long, or you can search by few keywords at once, in no particular order really. Let's go for the audio search again to view videos of requested keyword only. Remove the upload date sort and add another keyword into the search field like sponsored, for example, that is often used for paid promotional videos. Here it is, that is with relevant videos, appears in seconds. To get even more results, you might remove the type filter here. Now sort videos list by views count or by any other engagement metric from the choices here. Most to least liked, commented or shared. Entirely up to you. This way you can find the videos that have certain keyword mentioned in the description, like any brand's name or the content creators or public video name or even an URL address, and then narrow the list of results even further by the upload date or country. You can also add additional keyword to search within the title too, along with searching any other keyword within the video description. Say we'll go for Audi in the title and BMW in the description, and narrow the results to the last 7 days, for example. Then even sort by most view ones. Done. Change the page limits if needed here. Now the best part, that will save you plenty of time once you've set the list of your needs. Select any of the videos or a whole page at once and add to your designated folder with one simple click. Now you can monitor all these videos' performance within a smart folder as it would be in any other in your collection. One more thing before we go into the profile finder. You can watch any of these videos by selecting the thumbnail and clicking the play button on the player, just like that. Okay, find profiles on ViralStat section now. As previously, you can do the basic search by the keyword in the profile's name, or you can select advanced options too, that would allow narrowing research to the platform, country, category, type, and subtype, as well as to the defined keyword hashtag that can be included anywhere in the profile bio. Again, type in one or multiple keywords here, in any order, to pull up the list with relevant profiles. I'll go for beauty hashtag to start with. Say I want to search through French influencers' profiles. There. Now I can also sort my list by factors such as subscribers count, or likes, dislikes, or engagement. Each descending or ascending values are within any defined range here. And last but not least, creation time. I'll go with most popular profiles and maybe add fashion keyword into the description search and see where it'll take me. Here, the list with most popular influencers from France with beauty and fashion keywords included in the profile's description is all and ready to import to an appropriate folder here. Switch your sorts and apply any filters to view the list with most relevant profiles. Search for creators within any category by the city they have listed in their bio, or the ones that are open for any cooperation, for example, from any country and sort of your desire. Then add in bulk into one folder and monitor their performance since. It will allow you to verify which creators are best to partner with or to take inspirations from. You can also quickly do industry research for your client or your purposes within minutes. Next section here allows searching videos directly on YouTube and Instagram by any keyword or the whole keyword phrase. So let's say I want to learn Spanish. So I'm typing what I'm interested in, and the list of videos sorted by the relevance is up in seconds. Now I can watch any of these videos here, or if I want to add it to any of my folders, I can go to the video page by clicking on its title here. Say that I want to see the videos with one of my targeted keywords, for example, social video analytics. And hey, we will rank top 1 in YouTube search results. So, as you can see, this function can be used as a basic YouTube search rank checker as well. You can search for any videos of any keywords you want and see your direct competitors within your niche, or search for inspirations for your productions. Learn Spanish, find a workout, or watch funny cats videos. Then add any video to the folder for further monitoring and comparison. Last section here is the find profiles on YouTube or Instagram. Just type in any name to view the list with relevant results in seconds, as the Grumpy Cat, for example. As you can see, the Discovery tool enables you to research your niche, find best performing creators and most popular videos uploaded within any particular time frame, country, or category. Search for inspiration for content ideas, or research the market for your client. Quickly search for videos and profiles of a specific topic and add all to a smart folder to monitor, compare, and export the report. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.